While the global pandemic has eased in some cities, the need for good security has increased, and access control is more challenging now that we have masks covering our faces. Social distancing and minimal contact with keypads and buttons is important for stopping virus spread, so what kind of tech solution can address this issue? Today, we'll show you Advantech's EI-52, and along with an add-on AI card, FaceView software, and one of our UCAM products or even a simple webcam, it can identify employees or visitors, even while wearing a mask. Today we'll see how to set this up and look at the software a bit, and don't forget to subscribe to see more content from us, and if you have a question, be sure to leave that below. Facial recognition has been around for a while, though with the recent evolution of AI and deep learning, computers can achieve a precision which is equal to or better than a human's ability. Our faces provide a unique identity, so facial recognition can be used on different levels, whether it's a bank with secure access areas, or in the retail sector, recognizing loyal customers in your store. And with COVID-19 still affecting us globally, wearing masks and avoiding contact is critical. So having precise facial recognition can serve in areas that need to determine who someone is without requiring more contact. So what kind of applications are we talking about? There's financial institutions, biometric ATMs or safes, or where people need to show ID to gain access. Universities, schools, and libraries also need to determine between staff, students, and visitors, and limit access to some areas. It can also be used to check the movement of personnel in train stations, airports, and for bus fleets. And of course, restricting access in offices and sectors, and with FaceView software, there's visitor and invitation management, the detection of masks, and user notification as well. So the Advantech EI-52 is an ultra-small yet powerful edge system with Intel 11th Gen Core i5, i3, or Celeron options with a very tiny footprint. It comes pre-installed with Edge X, that's a data acquisition API, and Wise Device On for management and remote control. There's also Intel VNNI support for AI and deep learning, and there's a custom thermal back cover for the EI-52 with Vega 330 AI module. Operational range is a standout feature on the EI-52, able to work in environments from -10 to +50 degrees Celsius. The Core i5 version comes with 16 gigs of DDR4 memory and a 64 gig SATA Slim SSD built in, and the Core i5 provides advanced 12th gen graphics running DirectX 12.1, supporting hardware encoding and decoding of HEVC and more, and it can output dual 4K through the HDMI and DisplayPort connectors. If you're looking for a quick to set up access control solution, why do we recommend the EI-52? The setup we'll be showing uses FaceView software to provide real-time facial recognition with a 99.7% accuracy for ID detection. And you have a readout of the date and time log of access attempts, and you have the ability to manage VIP and also blocklist entries. Our optional Vega 330 Mini PCIe Edge AI module boosts AI performance with dual Intel Movidius Myriad X VPU chips on board in an ultra-compact size with low power consumption. With 10 times the performance compared to the previous generation, there's hardware acceleration for common deep neural networks, and it's scalable for multiple video streams with the Intel OpenVINO toolkit being fully supported. Or you may wish enhanced connectivity instead. The EI-52 is already equipped with dual gigabit Ethernet ports, but we offer the optional AIW355. It's a wireless 5G module. This adds flexibility to installation, whether it's at a remote gate or in a retail space where placement may need to be changed. Deployed at an entrance, FaceView provides a touchless access control system, and there's an easy-to-use SDK, so customers can adapt and integrate into their already existing systems as needed. The camera streams video to the EI-52 and Vega 330 with FaceView running, and the detection result is sent to the backend and access can be granted. FaceView comes with a friendly user interface that customers can view in real time to check the detected results. With our camera hooked up, let's have a look at FaceView's UI now. Launching FaceView, it starts recognition right away. I haven't added myself to the system yet, so let's click on Visitor Management at the top center. In this screen, first we'll select Create Visitor. I've typed in my name, and I can select the customer group by clicking on the box. Next, I'll take a photo, and coming a little closer, the white circle at the bottom lights up, meaning that this picture is good and will work for recognition. You can also choose to upload a photo from a file. We'll hit Save, and now I appear in the list. You can sort the list with categories. My entry shows in all, and I'm in the VIP group. However, I don't appear in the block list. And you can search for visitors here also. Each entry has some options. You can choose to trash, which will remove the entry from the database. The pencil allows editing of the visitor's entry, and turning on notification will tell you how long the person dwelled there, as well as how many visits the person has made today. And in the main window, it will pop up a notification next time when the person comes on camera. Over in settings, there's options including enabling the Vega series accelerator and also the mask tag. And after we switch this to enable and hit save, the software now shows in the identification box top left if the person is wearing a mask. Back in settings, the next entry is camera settings, where you can select web or IP cam, the camera, resolution, frame rate, and to flip the image. Next is import-export, where you can manage database import or backup, or reset the database if needed. Finally, in the About section, when you're ready to enter your license key, there's a spot to do that here. As you saw, FaceView's interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, and with a 99.7% accuracy rate for ID detection, you can set up and find the information that you need quickly, or add and configure new entries in a snap. If you're looking for a quick access control solution, the combination of Advantech's small but powerful EI-52 with its next-gen feature set, along with FaceView software, a connected camera, and the Vega 330 add-on module altogether, makes for the preeminent choice in this sector. Contact us to learn how Advantech can help your business and solve tough-edge AI deployment problems rapidly and cost-effectively. I really hope we were informative. Please hit like if it helped you. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.